Next Wave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our Shark CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a Shark. Assembly Video Series: How to attach the drag chain to the base. In this short video, we are going to show you how to connect the drag chain to your new Shark HD series machine. The first step is to remove the screw from the mounting bracket on the drag chain. With a small screwdriver, carefully pop open and remove the closest 3 brackets to the mounting bracket. Continue to open the remaining brackets on the drag chain. Next, remove the mounting bracket completely from the rest of the chain by giving it a slight sideways twist. Align and insert the cable from the side of the gantry within the chain. Snap the mounting bracket back on the drag chain. Insert the screw back into the mounting bracket. Align the screw with the pre-drilled hole in the Y-spar of the gantry. Securely tighten the bolt. Proceed to close the remaining brackets around the tube. Flip the drag chain around so that it's making a C shape. Wrap the chain around so that it is between the base and the gantry arm. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw from the front of the base closest to where the drag chain is. Align the T-screws and slide them into the side of the base. Replace and tighten the screw on the front of the base, then tighten the T-screws on the side of the base. Remove the rubber band from the tube on the front of the base. Place the 2 smaller cables next to each other. Align them inside the larger cable management tube. Use pliers and 2 zip ties to secure the larger tube to the base. Set the control box on the table next to your Shark HD machine. Place the control box on its side and remove the 3 screws. Pull the film off that side of the control box. Replace the screws. Flip the box and continue to remove the film. Flip the control box again on the opposite side with the screws. Slightly remove the screw. Pull back the film. Tighten the screw. Repeat this process with the remaining 2 screws. Plug in and securely tighten the Z and X cables. Then plug the white cable into the white receptor closest to the X output. Plug in and tighten the Y cable. Plug in the white cable to the white receptor closest to the power switch. Plug in the power cord to the control box. Finally, plug in and tighten the pendant cable to the front of the control box. You are now ready to use your Next Wave CNC Shark HD series machine. To learn more or view other videos, visit us online at nextwavecnc.com or stop by one of the hundreds of Next Wave CNC Sharks official dealers nationwide. All Next Wave CNC products include lifetime support. Shark, world class, made in USA.